Hello viewer, I am Shabazz and you watch my YouTube channel JS Medicine. Today I inform about the tablet of Arinac. Arinac tablet is used for the relief of the symptoms of cold and cold with associated congestion including itches and pains, headache, fever, sore throat, runny or blocked nose and cyanosis. Arinac tablet is antibiotic or not? Yes, Arinac tablet is not an antibiotic tablet. It is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug that works by inhibiting the enzyme cyclooxygenase. And Arinac is good for flu. Arinac Fort or Arinac plain tablet is a combination of two medicine used to treat common cold symptoms. And it provides relief from symptoms like a runny or blocked noses, watery eyes, sneezing, and fever. It works by blocking the release of certain chemical messenger that causes fever, pain, and inflammation. The dose of Arinac tablet the dose of Arinac tablet is two tablets once a day. One tablet is eating about a morning and one tablet is eating in evening, and its price is very low. Its price is 5 rupees per tablet. This medicine is very used in commonly cold and fever. I request you subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.